What's going on, y'all? So we out here this morning. Matt done bagged his muzzle loader deer yesterday evening. It's my turn this morning to take those smoke pole out. Matt's gonna film for me. We're gonna get in these white oaks. Steve's taking his bow into some more white oaks, but he's gonna be in a climber. Me and Matt, we're gonna be in a buddy stand. So get this thing loaded up. Let's get in the deer stand. I gotta get my first muzzle loader deer this morning. Gotta get it done. And then it's Steve's turn. I don't know how I feel about that shot. The gun made this weird like there was a gap in between the spark and the actual let off of the bullet. So it kind of made me feel discomfort about the shot when I took it, but watching back on the footage, it looked like she did run away with her tail tucked, so maybe that's a good sign. We're about to see if we can't find some blood. Well, boys, there's definitely something went wrong there. Check this out. We found my hit. Took him out. Well, I guess it happens, and the challenge is still on. Got to get this muzzle loader deer.
Some shrapnel.
Little piece of it. You still see some more of it?
It didn't go. I just stuck this thing. Watch this.
Oh wow. Yeah. Alright, so it's a little too deep in there. A little bit of shrapnel right there though.